looking good, isn't it?
It's starting to take shape.
It took us 20 minutes to figure out how to put this. Crazy, isn't it? Let's see. Got to take it. I'm walking around.
You're just walking around and around.
I'm walking around trying to make you dizzy.
You're accomplishing it.
Ready to fold this open. We're ready to lock this. Okay.
Now it's starting to look like a trike. I already know I like it better. Look at the step through.
Yeah, and also look at the way it's lower than the other than your old.
Yes, I like that much better.
That should be much easier for you to get on. Actually.
Yes. Safer.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I like this much better than
Yes.
watching it on video or whatever doesn't really
do it justice,
yeah.
like actually seeing it in person.
Yeah. Okay. Starting to take shape. We're starting to.
And look at that headlight, Joe.
I know you got. That's powerful. That's a powerful headlight. It really is. Powerful.
You know, the one I had on the other trike never worked.
Yeah, listen. You getting all excited over there? You'll have to take it right up with Jill. She wants to see it. Alright, so we make sure we did all that. I'm excited for it.
Who knows? We may like it well enough to.
Well, until mine wears out, I'll keep it.
Well, we may have a giveaway.
Yes, you never know. Yes, you never
to
know.
our viewers.
We may. Hey, you know, I always say,
Giveaway, not getaway. we'll get away on the trikes and give away. Cushy seat. Wow. Wow. That's probably something you'll have to adjust with the Allen wrenches.
Because somehow this is supposed to go underneath the lip there. I gotta figure that out. See, okay.
Does it feel cushy?
Well, just take a sit from here.
No,
You don't want to sit on it?
no, not yet. I think that goes in the front. The basket's not as big as was on my other one, but it's okay. And that goes in front too. It's online.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, they don't give you, they don't no more? Alright, well.
Everything's online anymore.
Yeah, they need the owner's manual for the each.
Alright.
I can Google it.
bottom is getting ready to come out again. There you go. That would have been hard to get gotten in there with the triking.
You think? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is get this thing on charge. Oh no, I don't do that. Where's the Allen wrenches you just said?
In there. In the box under the U-bolt thing.
Box under the where?
U-bolt. Okay, we finally got the bike put together and everything's tightened up and the battery is charging, so we're just waiting on that to take up our stride. So we'll add that to this whenever we do. We're excited.